Hey, this is Bradley with Blue Cord, and this is an exciting episode today in that I'm going to be testing a revolutionary new tool designed by a Ventrac owner and enthusiast. It should be in the mailbox now. Let's go check it out. Now, Carlin sent me 2 of these, so what that means is I am gonna have a giveaway, and one of you lucky people is gonna get one. So we'll have an upcoming contest, so be sure to watch future episodes for more details on that. Now that we have this new tool, let's go ahead, test it out, see how it works. In addition to the new tool, you're gonna need a breaker bar, torque wrench, a hammer, and a socket. I use a 27mm, fits very nicely. I've been asked to try to use this with an impact driver. Now I use a DeWalt 20-volt half-inch that's good for 1,200 pounds of breakaway torque. Let's test this on the next wheel. Now I'm gonna give it a quick abuse test without loosening the draw cone. I'm gonna beat on that thing with the impact driver and see how it holds up. Powder coating is still in good shape. The finish looks great. Held up just fine. Now we'll test it for the reinstallation. Ventrac recommends 2 to 3 threads showing for the proper tightness when you actually spin the outer wheel on. Now I'm going to try to put this on extra tight and test the tool again, see if it'll actually remove this wheel. I'm not a small guy, that's pretty tight. Let's test the tool, see if we can remove it. I would say with this breaker bar, that felt a bit easier. I had that sucker on tight by hand, probably more than what most people would be able to break loose by hand. With the breaker bar, it did feel a bit easier, like I had more of a mechanical advantage to loosen it. Now lastly, we can't forget, we have to tighten the draw bolt. Ventrac recommends 120 foot-pounds. I go at least that. I go just a little bit extra because I just want to be sure. You don't want to lose one of these wheels on a hill. That's happened to me one time. That's another story. So my first impressions of this nifty little tool are overall extremely positive. I absolutely do believe that it does offer a mechanical advantage to those that have been having difficulty with the dual wheel kit. The longer the breaker bar, the better the mechanical advantage. I use an 18-inch breaker bar, but you could use however long a bar you need. This thing, I believe, will hold up to anything you could throw at it. I'm going to keep this video short for this first iteration. What I will do is answer any questions and create another video based on those questions. So be sure to leave them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell. And that way we upload new awesome content. Not only will you be the first to know, but you'll help other people be able to find this amazing Ventrac channel. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.